Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to Ghaneva 8, where we are all about leveling up in business and personal growth as well. Today episode, we are going to be talking how you can get 1688 and it's not on Play Store. They are on site. So first of all, you need to get Chrome. When you get Chrome, then you start right from there. Let's get into the process of how to get 1688 shortly.
Go to Chrome, type
Okay.
1688.com. There will be a pop-up written in Open in 1688 app. Click and download the app link. Download your 1688 from there. Here is our 1688 app.
Okay, so this is the steps on how to get the app. And the truth is, some people may not be able to download the app from the site. This is what you should do. First is restart your phone and try downloading again. You need to clear data, restart your phone, and download the app again. Another thing you can do is sign up on the site. You need to sign up on the site. After a day or two, they'll send you notification to download it. Then you download it from there. I taught a student and it's worked from there. Another thing that you can do is go to your phone settings and on Chrome, that's in Chrome, allow Chrome to download unknown source to your phone. So you go to settings, then you find Chrome there, then you allow Chrome to download unknown source. That will help you to get the app. After doing it, then you reset your phone back again. And another step that will help you to get the app if you're not getting it is update your phone. Sometimes you need to update your phone. So you go to settings, you go to security, then you update your phone right from there. Some people too, they will try and their phone are not compatible with the app. If you keep doing all these things I've said and so your phone is not downloading it, then you need to get a new or other phone to download 1688. We are going to 1688 because 1688 has very cheap but very quality product as well. They have large varieties of products from electronics, fashion, clothes, shoes, bags, lights, decorations, home decor, and many more. And their quality is also good. We have low quality there and have high quality there. Everything on this channel will be taught so you know the difference, how you get the high quality, how you get how did they say, how you get as I ordered versus what I got. Yes, that's, we will teach everything on this channel. So please get your 1688 app because we are going to dive deeper into it. 1688 app is the one that's making me thrive in all my businesses. Some countries too don't use sites, and as the channel move on, we will share everything on this channel. Thank you all for joining me, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe to this channel. I will guide you on how to import outside your country with just your smartphone, plus how to build your self-confidence and how to develop yourself very well. Thank you all for subscribing, my old subscribers. I am really grateful to you all. I will see you in the next video. Until then, it's a bye. But before that, let me know if you were able to download it in the comment section, or if there is anything you would like to add up to what I said, or any challenges that you are facing. Please let me know in the comment section, and I'm really ready to reply you and support you. Or please do well to also join our Telegram and WhatsApp pages. The link will be in the description box down below. On Telegram, you can ask questions and I will answer you from there. I will also put suppliers contact there, so you need to join the pages as well. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. If you haven't also, please subscribe. Please like this video. Thank you. I'll end this video now. Until then, please stay focused. Bye.